Baby shake baby. Oh, hi there. Selamat datang, which means welcome in Bahasa Melayu. Welcome to Ash the Flash. I'm Ashley and I'm currently back at my hometown after 4 whole years in Auckland, New Zealand. Today is the 31st of December 2019. I guess you can put it as the last day of 2019, 2K19. In a few hours will be 2020, 1st of January. Time do fly. Today's video will be a special video showing my house tour in Tawau, which is a very small town, Sabah, Malaysia, as a celebration towards New Year. This is actually my grandma's house, and it was my childhood home. Hope you like and enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment for future ideas for my videos. Terima kasih, and that means thank you. Baby shake dee dee dee. So first up will be the garden. This is an L-shaped garden filled with plants and grass, obviously. And now I'll show you a quick view of the types of plants and or flowers. For those who don't really like to look at flowers or are not interested in flowers, you're happy and welcome to skip this part. Okay, so as you can see here, this is the swing. It was originally white, but now has been painted pink. I remember when I was younger, I was on the swing and was swinging so fast that the swing's leg began to wobble. It was terrifying. Ah, you can even do pull-ups here. Well, since I'm outside, I'll show you the sky. You can view from here. Okay, and here we can see the hose that is accessible to the plants in order to photosynthesize. Another interesting thing about this garden is we have 3 mangoes. Here we go, a mango tree from our neighbor. If we are lucky, we're able to retrieve some mangoes when it is ripe and will drop to the ground. The end of the garden are a lot of random stuff such as pots and just etc. stuff. Sorry, I'm not a gardener. I don't know much. From the garden onwards, it is a washing area, as in clothing. Here we have a drying rack and a huge space where we can drag in and out depending on the weather situation, which I think is very handy. Next, it is a one and only washing machine. We don't usually use this much, instead we hand wash, but only for big items such as bedsheet and towel, etc. We use this. Okay, next up are the storeroom where we store stuff, the washing shoes area. We used to have a parrot and a chicken, but not anymore, so we just have the cage instead. This is called the wok area where we cook. This red cupboard is where sauces are stored. Alrighty then, here are 2 sinks, very big basins, to wash anything, especially vegetables and meats. Okay, from there on, we will rotate from the back kitchen to the garage area. Let's go! Believe it or not, you can park about 8 cars here in this open space garage. Usually there are only spaces for only 2 to 4 cars back to where I am currently living in Auckland, New Zealand. I know that the house is quite dirty. I haven't been back for about 4 years, so I have no idea why it is still that dirty. Oops. Anyway, here's the gate. Now onto the indoor kitchen. We have cupboards full of plates, spoons, forks, and chopsticks. There are several other cooking appliances, such as the rice cooker. Here we have a huge round table with 6 chairs available for 6 people. Over here are other cupboards and boiling kettles. Here there's another basin to wash your hands. Hygiene and sanitation, folks. Okay, I think it's normal to have a fridge, and here it is. These are very cute, by the way. And this is the entrance to the kitchen's territory. Okay, moving to the living room. Here's some couches and another table, kind of like a separate bench top from European designs. There are many snacks on here. Here's an ironing table, and looking over to the right is the old-fashioned TV. Here we go. And several more leather couches. The wallpaper is very, very cute. And this fake cherry blossom is just too beautiful. Tawau. There's an open space at the entrance of this house. This can lead to the stairs on the left, which I will be explaining now. Here is where we put our keys and some very old photographs. In the middle of the flights of stairs is this vast glass window. Moving on. The bathroom. The guest room. The first guest room. My grandma's room. This is the bathroom. And the master bedroom, where there's actually no bed at the moment. My cousin's room. And my room. Here are 2 tables. One is dedicated for what I believe, and the other is meant to be a makeup table, but yeah, it has become a trash bin. Next is my study table, like many years old already. The cupboards, the luggages, and the old-fashioned TV. Haha, not that I'm 80 years old, but still old. To end with that, I'll show you a whole picture of my room. Hi, I'm back again. Thank you for watching my video, and I hope you enjoy it. If you have never been to this really small town, I recommend you can, I don't know, one day come visit me in my hometown in Malaysia. And yes, don't forget to subscribe, like as I said before, and comment for future ideas or concepts for my videos, such as challenges or any other vlogs, or just anything you want me to do basically. Well, I'm off then. Do 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 do.